Today's video is gonna blow your mind. I used eggs in my hair and I was blown away with the final result. So if you really want to know what happened, make sure you are watching to the end and do not skip any part of it, because I'm going to show you how to use this, my honest review on what happened to my hair and why I even decided to do this challenge. And hey guys, I want so many people to see this video, and the only way you can help me make this possible is to give this video a thumbs up right now. Leave me a comment in the section below. And if you are new here, hey, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell, because on this channel is always jamming. We're doing a whole lot of DIYs to help with our hair growth, as well as simple hairstyle tutorials. So if you really want to see what happened in this video, let's do this. Ha! Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So in today's challenge, I'm going to use 2 eggs. Eggs are a nutrient-rich hair superfood. Vitamins A and E, biotin and folate are just some of the nutrients found in eggs that are said to help keep hair thick and healthy. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. The next ingredient I'm going to add is organic extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil can help prevent damaged hair breakages, split ends. It can add some shine to your hair and also make your hair really soft. It can also increase hair growth and also help reduce dandruff. The next ingredient I'm going to add is lemon juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C. They can help maintain scalp health. It helps control the production of oil on your scalp. It can help prevent dandruff and also promote hair growth. So after putting all the ingredients together, I'm going to mix them and make sure they are blended together. But I have to add one more ingredient, and that is the lavender oil. Aside its calming effect and divine fragrance, lavender oil can also help promote hair growth. So after adding that, I will whisk it again and make sure they are all mixed in. And it's time to transfer it into my applicator bottle to make the use very easier. So I'm just using a funnel and a bottle, and I'm transferring it into that bottle. And hey guys, if you're still watching this video to this point, show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell, so each time I upload videos like these, you will be notified. Okay, so my hair mask is ready to be used, and I'm going to show you how I used it and also tell you my honest review on this. So make sure you're watching to the end. Do not skip any part of this video. So I started by washing my hair and made sure my hair is all washed and ready for this. But at this point, I was having a change of mind. I was like, why did I even get myself into this challenge? How is this egg going to feel on my skin and in my hair? But you know what? Let's do it, because we got to finish this. So I started by parting my hair into little sections to make application very much easier. Then I grabbed my bottle and I'm going to put in the egg. I was still hesitating at this point, but but I needed to finish this video. So let's go ahead and apply this. My main concern was the mess that it was going to make, and also I was concerned about how it's going to smell in my hair and on my skin. But guess what? It actually smelled really good because of the lavender oil that I added to it. There was no that, egg smell or those nasty smell. It was really good. I was really surprised when I applied it. So at this point, I was just applying it to every part of the hair, trying to work it in the hair. And guys, this is a protein treatment. And let me tell you why I decided to do this challenge with these eggs. Protein treatment is very important for our natural hair, especially if you're experiencing hair breakages, split ends, bald spot, or any kind of hair damages. It adds some kind of strength to your hair strand and help it to resist any damage. Protein treatments do the work of nourishing and softening natural hair by taking away dead cells from the scalp and replenishing protein back into the hair. Protein treatment in general will boost the nutrients and proteins in hair to assist in reconstructing and strengthening natural hair strands. With protein-packed strands, your hair will maintain its most optimal state. But some people do not need so much protein in their hair, especially if you have low porosity hair. So make sure you research into your hair, whether you have low porosity hair or high porosity hair, before knowing the kind of treatment to use for your hair. So at this point, I just kept on applying the egg to every part of my hair, massaging it in, and I'm going to tell you my honest review after using this mask. And so make sure you're watching to the end, and hey, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, here, do not forget to click on the subscription button and do not forget to click on the bell, because on this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair faster. I also do simple hairstyle tutorials that you can rock. And also, your moms, I got you. I do hairstyle tutorials for kids as well. So this channel is always charming and is always fun here. So make sure to join us by subscribing and clicking on the bell. So at this point, I apply the egg to every part of the hair, and I'm going to cover it with a plastic cup and leave it for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I'm going to rinse it off. I'm going to wash it with my shampoo, and I'm going to condition my hair. And hey, I'm going to tell you my honest review. So stay tuned and listen to what I have to say about this. So at this point, my hair felt stiff. I was a little worried because the air kind of dried in my hair and it was feeling, I wasn't really getting that sleek and that soft texture that I was promised. But well, let's go ahead and rinse it off and see how it goes. So this is my hair all washed. There is no product in it. But surprisingly, it felt softer after I washed it out. So I don't know, was it because the eggs were dried in it? That was why it felt stiffer before. But after washing it, it was really soft and easy to manage. So I went ahead to do my moisturizing process, and I was going to wait to see how it's going to turn out after moisturizing my hair. So I went in with my leave-in conditioning, and I also went in with my clove oil. I also went in with my clove butter to seal in the moisture, and this is how my hair was looking, guys. It's like it's all melted in. The strands were all beautifully, I just even know the kind of words to use, but I loved it. At the end of the whole thing, I just loved this challenge. I got a little skeptical at the middle of this challenge, but at the end of it all, I was glad I did it. So give it a try and let me know your honest review on this in the comment section. And I also want to hear from you. Have you done any kind of natural hair protein before? Have you used any natural ingredients like eggs or any other things in your hair? I want to know how it made your hair feel. Please leave me your comments. I would love to hear from you. And if you're still watching to this point, guys, show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. And after every good treatment, guys, make sure you're always putting your hair in a protective hairstyle. It doesn't have to be any fancy hairstyle, at least just a twist, a braid, something to lock in the moisture so you do not lose all the moisture that you have put in your hair. So this is a very simple twist that I'm doing just to keep in the moisture. And guys, I was feeling the hair. It was soft and easy to manage. I'm going to do this every now and then to make sure my hair stays this stronger and healthy. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video today. I hope you have given this video a thumbs up, and also you have shared it with just one person. And if you're new here, I know you have subscribed and clicked on the bell. Thank you for doing all this, and I hope to see you at my next video. But before you leave, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now and watch it. You're gonna love it. Bye.